And Jai Hind students, I'm Kanchan, your English teacher. This time the chapter has been taken is Silk Road. So what is Silk Road? Silk Road because the article has been titled as Silk Road. The article has been titled Silk Road because the protagonist means characters explored the region of Old Silk Route, which was one of the historical route for trade. So trade of Chinese silk, spices, teas and porcelain and Indian textiles, paper and precious stones, Roman empires, gold, silver, glassware, wine, carpet, etc. So it is also here we will discuss about the Silk Road was an ancient trade route that linked the Western world with the Middle East and Asia. It was a major conduit for trade between the Roman Empire and China and later between medieval European kingdoms and China. So here it is also Silk Route, you may see here. Now the chapter is about the author. He was going to Darchan because he wanted to, he had to visit there because he was a Buddhist. So the author Nick Middleton describes his journey to Mount Kailash in Silk Road chapter, and in order to complete his Kora. What is Kora? Kora, according to the Buddhist belief, they have to complete it, and for that reason the author had gone there, and the author wishes to visit Mount Kailash. Thus he hires Satan, and Satan is a tourist guide and driver also, so that he can get someone to drive him up to the mountain. While he was parting with Lamu, who is Lamu? Caretaker of the accommodation of Raghu, he receives a long-sleeved sheepskin coat gifted by a lady there. In order to get companionship, the author takes Daniel, who is Daniel, interpreter from Lhasa, with him till Darchin. So upon starting their journey, Stan takes a shortcut. Stan, who is guide and driver also, उसने एक शॉर्टकट लिया साउथ वेस्ट की तरफ से because they wanted to reach safe and to early also. He says that it is a direct route to Mount Kailash, and in order to reach their destination, so they would have to cross the high mountain passes. However, Stan assures them that due to lack of snow it would be easy to do so. On their way they crossed through a small number of gazelles. So gazelles are animals like deer, and so they faced these animals also on their way. A herd of wild donkeys and shepherds that were tending the flocks. See here. Next is there, upon reaching the hill they noticed dark tents. They learned that those tents are the homes of nomads. So nomads were there and who were making their tents and for temporary shelter. After that they will have to move. तो nomads वो होते हैं जो थोड़ी देर के लिए होते हैं, फिर उनको कहीं और जाना होता है, तो वो अपना जो प्लेस होता है उसको चेंज कर देते हैं और कहीं और चले जाते हैं. So they were doing that. So they are called nomads. Now when they reach near the tents, the dogs with their jaws run after their car. Upon entering the valley they witness mountains and rivers covered in snow and ice. मतलब ice जो है चारों तरफ थी, इवन जो रिवर थी वो भी स्नो से कवर थी, और जो डॉग्स थे दे वर लुकिंग वेरी डेंजरस एंड दे वर टू प्रोटेक्ट द टेंट्स. वो टेंट को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ टेंट्स ऑफ द नोमैड्स दे वर देयर. तो फॉर दैट रीजन डेंजरस डॉग्स वर देयर. दे राइड ऑन द हिल विच स्टार्ट्स टर्निंग शार्पर एंड बम्पियर. शार्पर का मतलब जब वो हिल पर चढ़ रहे थे तो ये बहुत ही कर्विंग शेप था और उसके अलावा इसमें जो बम्प थे, मतलब बहुत बम्पिंग हो रही थी, बहुत झटके लग रहे थे, बम्पियर रास्ता था, बिकॉज समटाइम्स इट वाज नॉट स्मूथ, समटाइम्स इट वाज आइसी, स्नोई. फॉर दैट रीजन दे हैड टू फेस डिफ़िकल्टी, उनको बहुत सारी डिफ़िकल्टीज़ को फेस करना पड़ा. So here when they reached higher, the author could feel the pressure and noticed that they were at the height of 5,210 meters above the sea level. After clearing the first hurdle of snow-filled roads, they were on the end about, and after some time starts feeling uneasy due to heightened pressure. क्योंकि जब हम बहुत ऊंचाई पर जाते हैं तो ऑक्सीजन की कमी हो जाती है, ड्यू टू दैट we face difficulty in breathing. So author was also feeling difficulty in breathing, सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम होना. Then at around 2 o'clock in the afternoon they stopped for lunch, and after that he was feeling well at that time. Finally they reached a small town called Hor. तो एक ऐसे कस्बे में पहुंचते हैं जहां पर उसका नाम हॉर होता है आफ्टरनून टाइम में. द ऑथर टेक्स अ ब्रेक इन हॉर एंड सिट्स एट अ लोकल कैफ सिपिंग ऑन टी. वो थोड़ी सी चाय पीता है और वहां पर रुकता है. देन ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम सिटेन गेट्स द कार फिक्स्ड एंड डेनियल लीव्स फॉर ल्हासा. The author does not like Hor too much. आथर को ये जगह अच्छी नहीं लगती है. Upon resuming the journey, they spend the night at a guest house in Durchan. तो डर्चन एक प्लेस का नाम है और वहाँ पर वो जगह पे रुकते हैं एंड वहाँ पर रुक कर के थोड़ा सा नाइट हॉल्ट करते हैं. The author suffers from nose congestion ड्यू टू अल्टीट्यूड चेंज एंड चिली वेदर. क्योंकि ठंड हो जाती है और वो थोड़ी सी स्नोई एरिया है, थोड़ा सा क्या काफ़ी स्नोई एरिया था, चिली वेदर था. सो ऑथर वॉज फीलिंग प्रॉब्लम इन हिज नोज़. ही गोज़ टू सी अ टिबेटियन डॉक्टर एंड रिसीव्स अ 5-day कोर्स मेडिटेशन. तो वहाँ पे उसको मेडिकेशन मतलब मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट लेना पड़ा फॉर 5 days. After that he feels better and enjoys his stay at Durchan, where he meets another pilgrim, नारबू, और एक और तीर्थयात्री. पिलग्रिम का मतलब होता है तीर्थयात्री, तो नारबू से मिलता है. एज डर्चन हैड नो पिलग्रिम्स, द ऑथर फाइंड्स रिलीफ एंड decides to complete his pilgrimage with him. Finally they hire yaks for their luggage and climb Mount Kailash. In this way they completed their journey. and ये यहाँ पर ऑथर ने अपनी माउंट कैलाश की जर्नी को पूरा डिटेल में समझाया है कि हाउ डिड ही फेस प्रॉब्लम्स, हाउ डिड ही ओवरकम द प्रॉब्लम्स. तो वहाँ पे वो माउंट एरिया था एंड ऑल्सो इट वाज चिली एरिया. सो this is all about, and very soon I will discuss question and answers. Thank you and Jai Hind.